Good morning and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones, live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, the Australian share market is inching lower this morning. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 opened the day 8 points lower. At the closing bell yesterday, the index was 1.5% higher, or 104 points higher, at 7,287, and that's its best performance since May the 13th. Moving on to some business news from this morning now, and specialist investment manager, the Centuria Capital Group, has secured $223 million worth of healthcare and daily needs retail assets on behalf of existing institutional partnerships. The recently announced Centuria Prime Partnership is a healthcare real estate joint venture with an investment vehicle sponsored by Morgan Stanley Real Estate Investing. It's focused on the strategy of developing a new private hospital in Sydney's inner south suburb of Alexandria, which will be worth $163 million when complete. Additionally, Centuria, via its existing daily needs retail partnership with a global institutional investor, secured the $60.25 million Cameron Park Plaza shopping centre in New South Wales. That's 17 k's west of Newcastle's CBD. This plaza increases the global institutional investor's daily needs retail portfolio to over $600 million. Moving on, and Leo Lithium have initial public offering to raise up to $100 million and has closed oversubscribed. Firefinch, an ASX-listed gold miner and lithium developer with two outstanding assets in Mali, that's the Morilla gold mine and the Goulamina lithium project, has acquired its full $20 million allocation under the Firefinch offer as part of the IPO. Under the demerger, if approved, the company will transfer Leo Lithium shares to eligible Firefinch shareholders. The IPO did close oversubscribed. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Tune in to get the latest information.
Whether it's about market movements or the currency graph,
Sectoral coverage or industry news.
we cover it all on our news segments.
Be on top of the latest news
With Kalkine TV.
And welcome back to the Morning Outlook Report. Over in the US, Wall Street was closed for a public holiday on Monday, but US derivative markets were open. The S&P 500 E-mini futures rose 0.3%, having rallied 6.6% last week in their best run this year, while Nasdaq E-minis were up 0.7%. Now, global share markets rose yesterday, and the US dollar was anchored at 5-week lows on bets of a possible slowdown in US monetary tightening, and after an easing of COVID restrictions in China. Oil prices hit their highest in over 2 months as traders waited to see whether a planned European Union meeting would reach an agreement on banning Russian oil imports. Brent rose 0.4% to $119.91 per barrel. WTI gained 0.5% to $115.64 per barrel. The pullback in the dollar helped gold off its recent lows, sending the metal up 0.4% at $1,860 an ounce. Meanwhile, iron ore futures in Dalian and Singapore climbed yesterday to the highest level since the 23rd of May, extending a relief rally spurred by easing COVID-19 curbs in top steel producer China and government efforts to shore up the battered domestic economy. Meanwhile, Bitcoin rose almost 7%, breaking the $31,000 mark. That was driven by global investors as Asian and European equity markets did climb. Well, that's all for our Morning Outlook Report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.